That is why tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I may not be as good as her on performing this talent, but I hope that you appreciate it. Because this is my only way of saying thank you, Mother Pau, for paving the way for us, the younger trans beauty queens, in making sure that the legacy continues. Allow me to perform her talent. Bakit ka ba? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin ka, pilitin ka ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Lumulutang nasasayang ang buhay mo. At ang ibinubulong ng iyong puso. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Alms? Oh, give me alms! I beg you to spare me a piece of bread. Oh Lord, spare me a mercy, please. I beg you. Oh, I am a child so thin, so young, so rugged. Why? Why are you all staring at me? And why do you keep on murmuring to one another? Why? Oh, maybe you know my mother. Do you know my mother? Now? How about my father? Does anyone know who my father is? I need answer! Who knows my father? Still no. How about me? Does anyone know who I am? Of course, the answer is still big no. Because nobody cares about a dirty beggar like me. That's why tonight, this beautiful night, allow me to tell you my story. The story of my past. 5 years ago. Oh yes! 5 years of bitter past. But how can I forget? That is one day when my father, yes, my father is sitting in his favorite chair in our sala. And shh. Can you hear that? Can you hear her voice? Yes, that's my mother. My mother is playing my favorite song. You know what? My mother has a piano in the middle of our sala. And while she's playing my favorite song, what I did was, I dance and dance and dance. On that day, I never stopped dancing for my mother and my father because I saw how my father was so happy and my mother was playing my favorite song. And then suddenly, tick tock, tick tock. Everything went so loud. Everything went so loud. Everything went so blurry. I can barely see anything. I can barely understand what is happening. And then suddenly, my mother was trembling and pleading to me, Luis, go ahead and hide in the cellar. Because in the cellar, they will not be able to find you. I jumped on the cellar. I hid in that very small space. I was watching on that very small hole. And I saw my mother. And I saw my father being stabbed and killed by people whom I don't know. I was asking the Lord that day. I said, Lord, I want vengeance. Oh Lord, I want vengeance! But you know what? me one very important lesson. She told me, Luis, vengeance is not in the hands of a human. It can never be ours. Because vengeance is in the hands of our Lord. And He is alone. Even up to this day, I do not know why this happened. But I prayed and I told Lord, I trust in your plans. Ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po sa inyong mga palakpakan. Maraming salamat and thank you for appreciating my talent. This means that you still remember Mother Pao. We may not see her physically, but in our heart, she will remain forever. At mga kagalang-galang na hurado, marahil ngayong gabi kayo po ay nagtataka kung bakit mas pinili kong maging wangis baliw. Ilarawan ng isang maduming tao. Ngayon tayo'y nagkakaroon ng isang timpalak kagandahan. Mas pinili ko pong maging baliw, mas pinili ko pong maging madumi sa inyong harapan upang ipaalala sa inyo na ang tunay na talento ay hindi nasusukat sa pag-awit at hindi nalilimitahan sa pagsayaw at pagpapatawa. Bagkus yan ay ang pagpupukaw ng puso ng bawat manunood sa atin. Baliw kung ating ituring, madumi kung ating husgahan. Ngunit tandaan ninyo, meron silang mapait na alaala na dapat nating kapulutan ng aral. Ano ka man o sino ka man, dapat kang tanggapin, yakapin at mahalin dahil hindi ang ating pisikal na kaanyuan at ang ating kaantasan sa buhay ang magsasabi kung ano ang misyon natin sa mundo. Lagi nating tatandaan mga kaibigan na wala tayong karapatang husgahan ng kahit na sino sa kanilang pisikal na kaanyuan, maging kasarian. Lalo't lalo na ngayong panahon ng pagmamahalan. Ipinagdiriwang natin hindi lamang ang pagmamahal sa ating puso, ngunit pagtanggap para sa bawat isa. At lagi po nating tatandaan na dito sa ating mundong ibabaw, ang ating pisikal na kaanyuan, ang ating mga kayamanan, pagdating ng araw ay mawawala. Pagdating ng araw na tayo humarap sa Diyos, lahat tayo isusuko at ang tatanungin at huhusgahan ay ang laman ng ating puso. Maraming salamat po.